Today I'll be showing you some card making basics. In this segment, I'm going to be continuing the decoration of our pop-up character card. After making the mouth, we're going to decide on a character to put around the mouth. I'm choosing to make a bright green frog. Since this is the mouth, we're going to be wanting to draw the face around the exterior of the mouth in a large circle. I'm going to go ahead and draw this, leaving space for text or other words to be put around the outside. So now that I've got the face of the frog, I'm going to draw two large eyes at the top and go ahead and fill them in to make our frog. If it's an animal such as a duck or a bird that has a beak, it might be nice to also color in the mouth to make sure that it's obvious what animal it is. After this, we're going to go ahead and take another coloring utensil, such as a pen or a colored pencil, and color in our character. I'm just going to do here with a sparkly pen, which I got at a craft store, which will just make a nice contrast to the white paper which I've been using to make my card out of. If I had more time, I'd go ahead and color in the entire frog, just to make sure that you could tell what it was. I'm going to go ahead and put two little dots for nostrils. And here you can see that when they open the card, they'll be faced with a fun and bright character to tell them a message.